Good evening from Europe, guys. Hi, Piotr here. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. 20th of April, and it's a very historical day, especially when it comes to the oil. That's what we are going. To discuss, guys. Oil is trading below minus $10 per barrel. So let's have a look where we are. All right, I've seen many different things when it comes to the market, but I haven't seen stuff like this. To be honest with you, I didn't know that it's possible for oil to go negative. Of course, we are talking about the contract which expired tomorrow, right? But the thing is that those contracts we can trade, they don't look better, right? They don't look better. So we have another one falling out of the cliff. Looks like 16 on that one, on that particular one, is the next supply level after the break to the downside. So let's have a look what we have. That's incredible story, guys. And so we are breaking lower, and that's gonna be supply right now. Oh, jeez. The good thing is that finally we have some kind of the move to the downside when it comes to the indices. And if you remember, we were discussing this afternoon the possible short opportunity when it comes to the DJ. And don't forget, by the way, you can monitor my trades, right? Link is in the description somewhere here. It's gonna be visible. Yeah, in the description, so below. I have to adapt myself to this camera, guys. I'm sorry, you know, it's the second time for me, right? It's the second time for me with this camera, so I have to adapt to the new market conditions. Anyway, we have a little bit of the attempt to make some kind of the rally, but I think would be great to see this type of the price action when it comes to DJ later today. The only thing is, I haven't seen. Let me check. I haven't seen yet because I made a mistake. I haven't been filled on a EURCAD correctly. So that's something you are going to be able to see. Checking the trades. I haven't been filled correctly. So I've been chasing a bit, so I opened higher, right? So not that great. Anyway, so that's the crude futures trading at the negative price, first time ever. So you know, if you are going to go to the petrol, right, and you are going to tank fuel into your car, don't forget to ask the guys at the petrol station to pay you, right, for that. I'm joking. That's what I've seen on the Twitter, right? That's the quite good joke. More or less that's how it looks. More or less that's how it looks. On the internet, guys. Again, I've seen many things. All right. But that's, you know, that's minus 6.9. We were minus 10 already, so crazy thing. I don't know, guys, to be honest with you. Let's go through a few news. Of course, the daily close is gonna be important. So talking about the indices, right? We are getting closer. Remember what we discussed, guys, right? Attempt to, to build swing high, right? We are getting back into the consolidation. Good stuff. So we have some kind of the false break, but still we have 1 hour 20 minutes to go, and we know that those guys, they need just 20 minutes or 15 minutes to push 2-3% upside without any kind of the reason. So I'm watching carefully the developments. I'm holding short right now. Very interesting situation how it's going to translate into the into the gold trading, right? Because gold was trying to go higher as well, as you can see. But looks like towards the end of the day, we are rather closing to the weekly open, right? So it's gonna be very interesting story. Any one of you seen any kind of the President Trump tweet about the great oil deal? I haven't seen anything lately. So I'm just making the update for you when it comes to the oil, because the things, guys, I'm doing this stuff for 20 years. I haven't seen something like that before. It's a funny story because right now the sellers have to pay buyers to take the oil future, right? Oh my goodness. I don't know where the oil currently is. Okay. US crude oil futures settled at minus 37.63 per barrel, down 55.9, 305%.97. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I remember a few times indices, the action moving down almost to the limit down. I'm not talking about the latest price action. I'm talking about the 2012 or so, somewhere the action, and then the move to the upside from there. Well, if someone was trying to do the same, well, the thing is that we as a retail traders, we're not able to trade that particular one, which is going to expire tomorrow, right? But it's, well, the question is, what next for crude? What next? I told you guys, no one is using right now. There is no place to try to hold it. Oh my gosh. Incredible. Well, I'm pretty sure when it comes to the indices, when it comes to other assets, that some kind of the underground, let's call it underground manipulation might be in place right now. Jeez. Incredible history today. Oh, I don't know what to say. Well, it's, you know, when we are going to add the some kind of the puzzles, right? The thing that, you know, everything stopped once we started the lockdowns, right? And, you know, I've been telling about that from the very beginning, that forget that it's going to end within 14 days, right? So when we are going to put some puzzles together, right, doesn't look good. And to be honest with you, the indices are disconnected from the reality. The thing is that me, you, probably we don't have enough money to move the market. So, well, market might be irrational for much longer than what we can survive. So be careful. Don't chase the market. Just, you know, with the overall things happen today, we still have to have cold head, guys. Well, that's the Black Monday when it comes to the oil futures. We haven't seen yet huge reaction when it comes to the indices, especially the Dow Jones, as well as we haven't seen any big Canadian dollar fall yet, right? So, well, still we got like 1 hour 10 minutes towards the end of the US session, so it's going to be worth to watch. If there is some fireworks with another assets, I will get back and make an update. Guys, it was the update in relation to the oil trading first time in the negative territory. I mean in the minus, right? Again, minus 37.63. That's the settlement price, right? Today. Holy. Minus 37.63. $55.90 down. 305% 0.97 to the downside. Guys, be careful out there. Have a great rest of the day. Take care and see you around. Goodbye.